Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We carry several of the top knife brands, and Spyderco knives are one of them. We have a new knife for 2022. This is the Manix 2 Lightweight in black, and the part number is C101PBBK2. And before I get into more of the specifics, make sure to subscribe right now to be alerted when new products are released. The Spyderco Manix is a great looking knife, and it has a 3.37-inch blade made of CST BD1N stainless steel. The blade is coated with a black tungsten DLC, which stands for diamond-like carbon coating. You can open and close this knife with either hand, as you can see here, and while keeping your fingers away from the edge of the blade. So these cost $130.90, and that includes free shipping. And again, make sure to subscribe to our channel right now. Make sure to like the video and please share with your friends and family. Thank you.